Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to free up the storage space. Freeing up storage on your phone can be done directly through the One UI's built-in storage tools, media optimizations, and app management. Open Settings, scroll all the way down to the device care, and enter Storage. Here, as you can see, we've got if we tap this internal storage right here, we can see the breakdown. And we need to review the breakdown to see what occupies the most space, like for example, audio files, videos, system data, apps, etc. Here we need to tap on each section to see, for example, all the apps, all the videos, and all the audio files. Here we've got the trash, other files, etc. And the thing that you need to do is, for example, open the apps and see what applications you don't really need. Like for example, I don't need Thermal Guardian, for example, which is right here. I need to tap it and tap uninstall and then uninstall. And you need to do this to every single application you've got on your phone. That is useless. Here, apart from that, when we see this view, before coming inside this storage, we can see large files, duplicate files, and trash. Delete all the duplicate files, delete large files, and delete the trash files. Here, we've got it. Everything, you should be able to clean it up. And actually, here, we'll get cleanup suggestions. So you can do this. Do every single cleanup suggestion, and everything should be working nice afterwards. And what else can I actually show you? You need to open files in the Samsung phone, like the pre-installed application where you can see files. My files, that's how it's called. And here, as you can see, we've got downloads, docs, the images, audio, videos, and install files. And here you can utilize files also, like for example, images, docs, audio, etc. That's how it works. You need to just delete all the things that you don't need. Bye!